Is your Galaxy Watch 6 not connecting to Wi-Fi like it should? Before restarting your devices or heading to a service center, try this simple trick. You can check the Wi-Fi function of your watch directly from your Galaxy S25 Ultra using the Device Care menu. Let me show you how to do it. First, head into Setting. Swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel. And then tap Setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find Device Care. Tap Device Care. Scroll down the screen. Under Additional Care section, tap Diagnostic. Tap Watch Diagnostic. Now tap Wi-Fi icon to run a quick test to check the Wi-Fi connection of your watch. As you can see in this screen, the result is normal, which means your watch can connect to Wi-Fi with no issue. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.